Hi guys and welcome to my channel Safra Korea. Today I got something really interesting, this huge box to unbox. This is a long waited parcel which I was anxiously waiting from such a long time. If you have seen my previous video on the tripod unboxing, I told you that I'll be purchasing an extended arm for the tripod. So here's the parcel arrived, and I didn't find this on Amazon website, Amazon India. So I tried to order it from the amazon.com, and I had some payment issue with my card not getting accessible. So I asked my friend to order it from the US and get it delivered through the Amazon logistics. And this cost, everything combined, came double the price of the product. So it's a request that soon we photographers, videographers and artists should get good equipment in India and at the reasonable price, because we end up paying double the cost of the product just for the import duties and customs, and I don't know, even I had to pay at cash on delivery for the GST. So it came up to double the price. There should be some alternative for us upcoming YouTubers for us to get good equipments easily and at a considerable price. So let's get into the important part of the unboxing. This is the Photek extender arm. Since I make many DIY videos and I told you I want a overhead view, and even for some small unboxing videos and some paintings or whatever I'll be doing on the table, so I wanted an overhead view. And my tripod which I bought recently is quite a very tough one, heavy one, so this will be very compatible with that tripod. And here's my mom, who is more excited than me to unbox this video. Unbox this parcel.
She was so worried. See, they have, for safety sake, they have to make the box so big.
So this is all the packing material. This is around 2 kgs. I found the parcel very light, so I was worried whether really the product is in it or no. So this is such a huge
padding,
box.
Yeah. All padding inside because it's coming from so far. And service is good.
So she's more excited than me, because this was a very long waited equipment which I wanted from such a long time, and I don't believe, or I didn't prefer in having a DIY overhead mount, because if I buy this arm, it can be easily folded and it's very easy to travel with it anywhere. But if I had a DIY, like you have many DIY videos where you make a box, kind of a frame, wooden frame or an iron frame, and then you mount the camera on top and you can easily move it accordingly. But if I mount this on the tripod, I can get many views and many angles for the videos. I get many point of view because this is very versatile arm.
You know, Safra, when it was shipped, 16th July, and today is 28th. Means how many days?
And when getting any parcel from the US or other countries than India, I didn't update my KYC information. So I had to provide my documents and I had to email, and then my shipment, it was cleared at the customs.
Such a big box or small?
I told my mom that this is a overhead arm and it has a ball head. So she was very anxious to know what's a ball head.
This. Why the ball head?
Because it can
Okay.
move at many directions.
I'll bring the tripod. Which
Yeah.
So heavy it is stick. Now you will not try to.
So this is the Vanguard's tripod. In my previous video I have done an unboxing of this and a thorough detailed review on it. And this has an arm, but it is not very long. So this arm will be very good for many videos.
What is it called? And this is matte finish and this is smooth. Great, huh? I'll also do embroidery. Be careful.
It has two screws here, I mean two holes underneath. One is I think a 1/4 inch and I don't know the size of the other. This one small and big.
Take care.
So this tripod is the Vanguard Ultra Pro 2 Plus, which is the latest one, grey color, and it's quite firm and stable, heavy one, and this arm also will be very stable on this. I'll just extend this.
Be careful, huh, Safra?
So let me see, I have tightened it over here, quite firm, and let me extend it further.
So this it will extend only so much,
Yeah,
not further.
no,
It's fine in here. It serves. That's a maximum.
so I think this is the maximum that it can extend.
Yeah, maximum.
But I will not get into the length and the specifications of this arm because you can find it on the website. So I'll just show you for you all to get an estimate of how long this is.
And where you put
This
the
is the
camera?
length. You can see here,
Camera.
and it has got a plate here.
Okay.
A plate. So on this plate, the
put
camera
the
will be
camera.
mounted, and this is the ball head. So you get more range with the ball head. It's hard because it's new.
Be careful.
Yeah, it's smooth.
It's
I'm
a
using it
nice
for the
one.
first time,
Very
so
nice.
I really don't know.
Very nice.
This is the ball. That's why it's called a ball head. Here, so smooth and nice. So I can get all angles for my videos, for my DIY.
Very good.
And here if I mount the camera, so like this, and I can move it either ways, like this, like this. So the camera will come here and I can have a view on what I'm recording. So this is the how
good.
versatile a ball head is for crafting videos and overhead view videos.
Long awaited.
So this is a
item,
long,
Safra, this was.
nice one, quite firm, but it doesn't have weight on the end, on the other end of the arm. It doesn't have the provision to attach weights.
Why you require weight?
because when the camera is put, then it becomes very heavy. So this
I
may
don't think so, Safra. Your
know,
camera is not so
try
many
it
kgs.
may bend, but DSLRs are heavy. Mine is a mirrorless Nikon V1 camera.
You see, when you buy heavy cameras, then you can have another idea what to do, solve your problem. Why you require?
So let us get a closer view of this, and I can change the angles also of the tripod. So I to make it more firm. So I have increased the angle of the tripod, and here let's lock this part. Will move, and here my camera will come.
If you have a camera, fix it now.
So let's get a closer view of this. There's a plate here, and there's something here down. Unlock it, and then the plate comes out. Here the camera comes, and I put it back again, and here this pin down. Lock it, and then it's here locked. It's now locked. Then make it. This is what? 2. This is how so much it rotates this ball head. You can see here. Here. Then tighten it with this. What are you looking?
No, I'm looking at it. Means it. So, what do you call it?
What do you call
High
it?
precision item, like, see this thing.
So when I was searching online for a product like this, an extended arm on the tripod, this is the only thing I came across that was long enough. I don't know whether there are some other alternatives for this product, but I'm quite happy with it, and I'll be able to give you all a more detailed review or my reviews on how good it is after using this product for some time. But my only suggestion is, or I'm disappointed because we don't get these good products in India. We have to import it, and it was not available on the Amazon website, and we end up paying double the cost of the product. So I think in future creators like us should come out with some more alternatives or some more options to shop in India and get more photography equipments for us. So far this is good. So I'm excited to start using this.
From where did you order this tripod?
This I got it on the Amazon website, Indian website.
Ah, okay. So it is good.
Yeah, it's good.
So you get good items in India.
Yeah, you get, but we need a more variety,
Oh, okay.
more
Say that.
variety and more options.
Say that. So you're happy with this. It's good. Chal, darling.
So bye as of now, and if you all have any options or any suggestions on DIY overhead mounts, then do drop your comments below, and we'll think in the future of making some thing.
Still you're having some doubt or what?
No?
Then it's fine.
Bye.
Bye.